Yeah, Pyle. So yes, today's job is to re-elasticate some Sinclair C5 side panels. So yes, here we go. So what we've got is my pair. This is one of them, and then this is Jay's pair, which I'm going to redo today. So I basically I'm going to redo these because the elastic's gone. So this one here, someone's already actually redone the elastic, so you can tell because obviously it's been done really badly and wrong. That's how it should look. I know it's the other way around, but that's how Jay's is. See this angle here, and it should actually be like this, like crossed over at an angle. That's how it should be, and obviously that's how short it should be as well. And obviously that's much longer. Combination of being done wrong and also stretching as well. So that's that. So that's my panel, which I'm basically going to copy to make it exactly the same for Jay here. So I've got the various tools. So I've got a couple of different coloured reds, black in case I needed it, but which I don't believe I need black at all. You can see the person here, when they restitched, they did it in black, so I'll do it in red. The unpicker, knife, obviously, scissors and bits and bobs, sewing machine. So what I've done is I just unpicked the original elastic from here in order to get these various bits and bobs off. So I'm quickly going to unpick this one here as well, and then I can then neaten it all up and then start to cut the elastic, which I've got here, to shape, and then to just sew it. So hopefully that'll be all right. So normally, once the machine's sort of set up and it's running right and it's set to the right adjustment for this sort of material, it should just fly through that, hopefully. That's the theory. Right, let me go for it. Right, yeah, so all the pieces are unstitched. As you can see, I've removed all the old black as well. Looks pretty good. And same for that there. So now I'm going to go and get my other side panel, and that way I can then cut the elastic exactly the same size. So actually you can see here, actually this is the state of the old elastic. So you can sort of see through. It's basically got virtually no elastic left in it. Right, cool. Right, yeah, looking good. So this is a technique I use, just using basically lots of these little clips. That's all. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice in there. So I've done one of them, which is there, which looks pretty cool. Obviously it's quite difficult working with this material and sort of slides around a little bit, but you just have to do your best. That's all. That's pretty nice. Obviously I'm gonna then cut this back to make a little factory, so you can snip that off there. So that would look absolutely perfect, I reckon, once it's done. Cool. Right, let me go for it. Yep, and we're done. It's all sorted. So yeah, got brand new elastic, original factory spec elastic on there. Looks really good, in my opinion. You know, bear in mind I'm a sort of amateur sewer, but yeah, it looks really strong. Put one nice line on now, so rather than having the black stitch that somebody who redid them at some point put on, I put a red on there as well in the same position, so it's good. Also on the back there I've got white, so that's what's in the bobbin, but it doesn't matter, you know. But that looks really nice, neat and strong. Gone forward and back a couple of times, so I know that's going to be strong enough. Yeah, really pleased with that. You can see actually as well that where the person redid the elastics, you know, a number of years ago, they also put on new Velcro as well, because obviously it's white Velcro versus red Velcro. And again, you can see the stitch points and now where they've unstitched it and tried their best to, you know, best to follow it a little bit. But yes, at least it gives them a new lease of life, these C5 side panels. So yeah, not too bad a job to do. Just get some elastic here, sewing machine, red stitch, and some, you know, red or white for the bobbin, and a couple of tools, and then go for it. Nice one, cheers all.